Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel BIM Structures. We are going to discuss the user interface of Revit. So basically, there is a parts of Revit, and one is a model section and one is a families section. Actually, families are the different type of elements which we can use in our building, such as doors, windows, light bulbs, furnitures. So in this section, we can prepare or we can model any type, any shape of door, any shape of window, any shape of furniture. Then we can export it to our model and then use it. Then the second section is model. Simply the basic model is prepared here. So these are the existing models and these are the existing family types. So here is a option. We can open any of our existing structure or any existing model. This is a new section. We can open a new template or a new part of model hour. When we click on it, as we can see, there is a different type of templates here: construction template, architectural template, structural template, systems. So these are the different type of templates. If you not found your desired template here, you can also browse from here. As you can see, there is a different type of templates. There are precast detailing templates, residential templates, structural analysis template. We can use these templates according to our project. So whenever a big project or mega project starts, usually different type of companies make their own template and then work on it. So we can prepare our own template from here. This is the option. We can prepare our own template and then we can start a project on it. This is the family types. We can open any existing our model of family, or we can open a new family model. As we can see, there is a different type of families options. We click on English Imperial. So as we can see, there is a lot of options for family types: electrical fixtures, doors, linear light bulbs, and different type of structure families, window families. We can create any shape of thing or any shape of element we want from here. So we open a new model. We open a new model. Interior architecture template. Then okay. This is the user interface of Revit. There is a different type of things we will discuss in next tutorial. So we can go back in our home option from here. So this is our tutorial for today. I hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any question or any query, please ask in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.